Hey people, not much to show you today, but I did come across this pretty neat master lock. It's the body of a 140, but it's chrome plated and it's got a long shackle. It's also got no springs, no shackle spring, and unlike the regular 140s, it has a dual ball locking mechanism. And it's also key retaining, and I've never seen that before in this type of master lock. And another thing is, it's a 4-pinner with quite a radical key cut. It has 3 9 cuts in a row, 8 or 9 I think, 8 or 9, yeah, I think it goes 9 1 9, sorry, 9 0 9 1 9. So it's very jagged, and in each of those chambers there is a spool pin. So let's get to picking it. Gonna go ahead and use the HPC short hook. Got it false set.
The following program contains mature themes and is intended for an older audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
And there we have it. Okay, I'm not sure the make or model on this lock, but if anybody knows, go ahead and post it. Turn that to the lock position. So yeah, don't forget to rate it. It's about the highest security thing I got going right now. So peace, keep it legal, and have fun.